Hi friends, today is the problem solving sessions using LeetCode. It is an easy question in LeetCode and it's question number 13. We will first go through this question and we will understand and we will go through the solution afterwards. The question is Roman to integer. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols. These are the 7 different symbols, and each symbol and corresponding integer value is available here. You can see here. For example 2 is written as 2. Here 1 and 1, it will be 2. In Roman numeral, just two ones are added together, it's come as 2. And 12 is written as 10 1 1, which is simply 10 plus 1 1. The number 27 is written as this 10 10 5 1 1. It's added up and getting the sum and getting as 27. The Roman numerals are usually written largest to the smallest from left to right. However, the numerals for 4 is not 1 1 1 1. Instead, the number 4 is written as 1 and 5, because the 1 before the 5 is subtracted and make it 4. It is 5 minus 1. Here you can see left side 1 and right side 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 here. The same principle applied to the number 9, which is written as 1 and 10. There are 6 instances where the subtraction is used. 1 can be replaced before 5 is 5 and 10 is 4 and 9, and 10 can be placed before L 50 and 100 is 40 and 90. The same way it is given this here. Given a Roman numeral convert into integer, you have to convert this Roman numeral string which is giving to the integer. That's what it is happening. This is our input and this will be the output. 1 1 1, it will be added it up and we got the integer value. The example 2 here, 1 and 5 is 4, and example 3 also same 9, you should get it. These are the other 2 examples. These are the constraints: 1 less than or equal to s dot length less than or equal to 15. The lengthwise constraint is in between 1 and 15, and s contains only the characters which is provided here, the same which is available here, and it is guaranteed that s is a valid Roman numeral in the range of 1 to 1339. These are the constraints. I hope you got this question. We will go through the solution. First I will explain it, what the logic we can apply to solve this. You can also think once how we can build up this solution. I just noted it up, the values here, the symbol to value mapping. What is my idea is, we will manipulate this symbol to value as a dictionary, and symbol as key and value is as a integer value. You can see 1 1 5, this all symbol value pair. I mapped it as a key value pair as a dictionary in Python. And whatever string which is passing, like suppose this is a string as per the example, you can see here the string L5111. The same I will be converting into a list, and the idea is to iterate the list using the list count, and we'll compare the first one and the current one and the next one. If it is greater than or equal, the sum will be added up, or if it is less, the sum will be subtracted. That is the idea. I already coded this and submitted. It is getting passed. I will just copy paste this here in the solution part. Just elaborate this. Copy pasted here. And I will explain. I will go through this solution, what it is here. This is the dictionary which I explained already. And key list is equal to Roman values of keys. These are the list of keys. I think key list is not using here. I will just delete it. Not good. I thought a different solution here and got it. And first the sum. Sum is the final sum we have to return from the function. As kept it as 0. And slist is converting the string, which is input string, will be converted into a list. You can typecast to a list, be getting slist as a list, which is as input string. And str length is the length of the list. This means the converted string to a list. So we are finding out the length of that. And using the length count, we are going to iterate the loop from count in the range of str length -1. Why it is -1? We don't want, we are comparing with current value and the next value, right? That's why we don't want to go till the end of the string list, right? Should end up with one element previous, right? That's why we are doing str length -1. And key is slist of count. The current count means, if you are going to this example, you can see here the count will be here in the 0th position and the value will be L. And we are next key, we are getting list of count +1. It will be going to the 1 position and value will be V, right? If Roman values of key, first key is L, right? What is the Roman value of L? That's 50. 50 is greater than or equal to Roman values of next key. Next key is V, right? V is 5. It's not greater than. That's why it will come to this if statement. It will be added up. Else, what we want to do? Suppose the case is like this. Something like this, the case. Like this. In this case, the 0th position will be 1 and the key will be pointing to 1 and next key will be 5. Then Roman values of key is 1 is less than 5, right? It will be going to else part, and sum is 0, 0 minus, it will be minus. It is subtracting from the sum, and it will be continuing the loop, and it will be exiting before this one element. Then the final element from here we have to add it. We are not including this in the loop. We have to consider that also. What we will do from the final sum, we will just add it up and we will be returning the sum. I think you got this solution. We'll just run it. I already ran and submitted it. It gets passing. You can just, I will just show it how the LeetCode is accepting this test case. And accept it. We just submit the solution. Yes, it is submitted. It's given the runtime. So almost 62.64 faster than the submissions already. And the memory usage is 14.2. It is 58.93 in the previous submission. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Thank you.